of a boat today. First, we do this. We fold a piece of paper down, then we fold it sideways. Then you fold it back. Then you have this crease. Then you crease it like this and fold it into a triangle. Then do the other triangle like that. Then put the piece of paper down here up on this piece of paper. Then flip it around. Then you have these triangles. Then you do this, put a triangle there, then put another triangle there. Then you do this, you put the two triangles there. Then you put this piece of paper upwards. Then we crease it like again. Then open it up. Try to do this. Then put it into a square. Then fold the square into like a train crossing. And then you do the other one. Then you have this triangle again. Then you do like the paper hat again. Then you fold it out again. Then you fold it down. And then put it like this. Then you have a paper boat. Thanks for watching.